Hi, Emmett. Hi, Elliot. It's story time from Grammy. I have a new story for you. It's Pete the kitty. Not Pete the cat. Pete the kitty. Who knew there was a Pete the kitty? This story is called Pete the Kitty and the Case of the Hiccups. I'm going to put on my glasses so I can see. All right. Oh no! Pete has the hiccups. How do you stop the hiccups? Pete asked Grumpy Toad. How do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Grumpy Toad. You stand on one foot. Pete stands on one foot. Pete still has the hiccups. See? Grumpy Toad doesn't understand. It usually works. So he came over to see Callie. Pete asked Callie, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Callie. You just stand on one foot and hop up and down. Pete stands on one foot. Up goes one. Just stand on one, not two. He hops up and down. Oh, Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asked Gus. Gus, how do I stop my hiccups? I don't know. My friends don't know. Grumpy doesn't know. Callie didn't know. Do you know? Well, Gus says, you stand on one foot, you hop up and down, and you sing a song. Oh, that makes sense. Look, Pete the kitty still has his guitar. Pete stands on one foot. See how he's on one foot on the box? He hops up and down, and he sings a song. Oh, Pete still has the hiccups. What are we going to do? He even fell off his box where he was jumping on one foot. Poor Pete the kitty. So Pete goes to find Bob, his brother. Bob is at the beach. He's on a surfboard, riding the waves. Pete asks Bob, Bob, how do I stop the hiccups? Bob says, I know. You stand on one foot and hop up and down, sing a song, and rub your belly, says Bob. So Pete gets on the surfboard. He tries all three things. Nothing is working, and off the board he goes, and he goes into the water. Pete still has the hiccups. Bob says, just go ask Mom. Peter asks Mom, Mom, how do you stop the hiccups? None of my friends know how to do it. Nothing works. And even my brother Bob didn't know how to do it. Oh, I see. Well, I do know, says Mom. You take a deep breath. Pete takes a deep breath. Hold your breath and blow it out, says Mom. Pete holds his breath. Can you do that? Don't breathe. Pete blows his breath out. That's it? Pete asks Mom. That's it, says Mom. So Pete waits. Nothing yet. And he waits some more. And he waits. He looks right at the clock to see how much time is going by. Surely his hiccups are gone. The hiccups are gone!
Hooray!
Oh, moms are so smart. The end. Yay! Pete the kitty got rid of his hiccups once and for all. Thanks, Mom. All right, I love you. I hope you like this story. It's a pretty cool story, I think. Mwah. Mwah. Bye.